Hey guys, it's me again. So, what I need you to grab for your math lesson today is your Monday math bag. It should have some money in it. It should have several different pages in it. One that looks like this. This is camping food. You should have several, yours are going to be cut apart. That A, B, C, D, and E. And then you're going to need another camping food that looks like this. Yours will be on colored paper. And then it'll have a bag of money in there. You want that. Then I also want you to get your clipboard from your haiku hike and your paper towel and your dry erase marker. Okay? We're going to need all of those things. All right, I'll see you back in a minute. Hey guys, so now that you've got all your materials together, we're going to work with money today. And you're going to help get all the food you need for your camping trip. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at your page that says camping food, and it's got all of these kids on here. And each of these kids have some money. And then they want to buy something, and we got to figure out how much money they have, and do they have enough to buy the things that they want. So the first thing I need you to do is you're going to find this one that looks like this. I'm going to fold mine so it'll look kind of like yours. And it says A. This is Carlos. And if you notice on this page, it says A. And it says, how much money does Carlos have? So I'm going to look at Carlos's money. And I see he has a dollar bill. I see he has a quarter and another quarter. I see he has a nickel and another nickel. I see he has a dime and another dime. And then I see he has a penny, a penny, a penny, a penny, a penny. Now, if we remember correctly, a dollar, of course, is $1, right? We write $1 like that. And a penny is worth 1 cent. A quarter is worth 25 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A penny is worth 1 cent. A dime is worth 10 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A penny is worth 1 cent. Penny is worth 1 cent. Penny is worth 1 cent. And a quarter is worth 25. Now, if you remember when you're counting money, when you have two 25s, you have 50 cents. So this is going to be your dry erase board. So I know I have $1, right? And I had two 25 cents pieces. And two 25s together equal 50 cents. Okay? So if I add that together, that's $1.50, right? Now I'm going to go to my dimes, and I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20. So I have 20 cents. So now I have $1.50 plus 20 cents, which means I have $1.70. Next, I'm going to go to my nickels, and I'm going to count by fives. 5, 10. So I have 10 cents. So I have $1.70 plus 10 cents, and that's $1.80. Okay? Then I'm going to count my pennies. They're worth 1, so I'm going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 cents. So I add that, and that is $1.85. I could, if I don't want to add it up this way, I could say, okay, I know that's 50. Then I count by 10, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Whichever is easiest for you. So Carlos has $1.85. Now, he would like a cheeseburger. I like a good cheeseburger. So I'm going to look at here and I'm going to say, how much are cheeseburgers? $3.25. Well, he has $1.85. Does he have enough for a cheeseburger? No, he doesn't have enough. He needs more money. So what I'm then going to do is figure out how much more money he needs. So I'm going to put $3.25 on my board. And then I'm going to take away how much money I have. I'm going to subtract $1.85. Okay? And 5 minus 5 is 0. I can't take 8 from 2, so I've got to borrow from my 3, and that becomes a 2. And now I bring that over here. 12 minus 8 is 4. I bring down my decimal, and 2 minus 1 is 1. He would need $1.40 more. You might say, well, wait a minute, Miss Bailey. I haven't learned how to regroup. I don't know how to subtract like that. Well, you've got some money right here, and it can help you. So if you know you have $1.85, if I take another, if I count by tens, $1.95, and then 5 more than that would be $2, right? And then I could take me another dollar. Take me a dollar bill right here. Okay. So I now have $2. And I have $3. And then I need 25, and I know that a quarter is 25. So then I would add up. And I have $1, 25, 35, 40. So I would know that I would need another $1.40 to have $3.25. Whichever way is easiest for you. You might need a parent to help you with this, and that's okay. We're going to do one more together, okay? So you can erase it with your paper towel. I didn't bring my paper towel out here, so we're just going to use the back of ours. And we're going to look here at B. And B is Lisa. Here's old Lisa. And we want to know, how much money does Lisa have? So I'm going to count, and I'm going to see, okay, she's got, a $5 bill. Lisa's got some money. And she's got a penny, and a penny, and a dime, and a dime, a nickel, a quarter, a penny, a penny, a penny. So I'm going to help myself, and I'm going to write how much each of these are worth. A penny is worth 1, so I'm going to put 1 cent about all my pennies. Then I know a quarter is 25 cents. And then I know a dime is 10 cents. And a nickel is 5 cents. And a dime is 10 cents. Okay? And look, if you forget what some of these are and how much they're worth, you've got several videos you can go back and watch, and that'll help you, okay? So then I'm going to count, and I'm going to start with my biggest one, which is 25. Then I'm going to count by tens, 25, or I'm going to count by fives, because 25, 30. Then I could go by tens, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So I have 55 cents in a $5 bill. So that means I have $5.55. Okay? So then maybe I'm not that good at doing that in my head. Then I could use this, my board, and I could do the same thing. I've got $5. Then I've got 25 cents. So now I know I have $5.25. And then I have 2 dimes, which is counting by tens twice, 10, 20. So I have 20 more cents. So that would be $5.45. So then I'm going to count by my nickels. I only have 1, so that's 0.5. And so that means I now have $5.50. So then I'm going to add my pennies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. That goes in my ones place. 5 plus 0 is 5. Bring down my 5. Bring down my decimal point. So I have $5.55. Now, Lisa wants to buy all the ingredients to make s'mores. So what all do we need for s'mores? Well, first, you need some graham crackers, right? And graham crackers are $2.25. Then I also know that I need some marshmallows, and that's $1.75. So I'm going to add that up really quickly. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I bring down my 0, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. So I bring down my 0, carry my 1, and then I'm going to bring down my decimal point. It's very important that when you're adding and subtracting money, you keep your decimal point where it needs to be. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So right there, that's $4. And that's my graham crackers. And that's my marshmallows. Now I need to add in my last ingredient, which is my chocolate bar. And that's $2.50. So I'm going to add that up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. And I now have $6.50 is how much all my ingredients are. Now, if I have $5.55, or Lisa has $5.55, would she have enough to buy all the ingredients? No, she would need some more money. So I could do several things. I could take my money and say, okay, I need to get to $6.50. And if I have $5.55, I could add 5 to that, and that would be $5.60, $5.70, $5.80, $5.90, $6. And then I need 50 cents more, and I know 50 cents is 2 quarters. So then I'd add that up. 25 and 25 is 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. I would need 95 cents more, or Lisa would. If I wanted to figure that out, I could do it on here. I could say $6.50 minus how much Lisa has, which is $5.55. Well, you can't take a 5 from a 0, so you borrow from the neighbor. And now you have 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. I can't take 5 from 4, so I've got to borrow from my neighbor. And that's now 14. 14 minus 5 is now 9. I bring down my decimal point, and 5 minus 5 is 0, so I don't have to put anything. And I could take off my decimal point and have 95 cents. Or I could write it like this. Okay? But either way, I need 95. Now we're going to look at C. So I'm going to get C. And this is, her name is Tara. It says, how much money does Tara have? So I look and I see she's got a dollar bill and another dollar bill. She's got a nickel, which is worth 5 cents, a nickel, 5 cents, a nickel, 5 cents, a nickel, 5 cents, a dime, 10 cents, and a dime, 10 cents. So $1 plus $1 is $2. And then I can count by tens, 10, 20. So I have $1, $2, 20 cents. Then I'm going to start counting by fives. So $2.20, $2.25, $2.30, $2.35, and $2.40. So she has $2.40. Again, if I'm not good at counting that way, I can always use my dry erase board, and I can say $1 plus $1 was $2. And then I had 2 dimes, which we said count by tens, 10, 20, be 20 cents. So then that would be $2.20 plus all my nickels. I count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 more cents. And so then that would be $2.40 is how much Tara has. And then it says Tara wants to buy 2 hot dogs to cook. So I look back at my page and I look at the hot dog, and 1 hot dog is 200. That would be an expensive hot dog. $2.50. So we have to find out how much 2 of them are. So we could do $2.50 plus $2.50. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I bring down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And I bring down my decimal. So $5 is how much it would cost to get 2 hot dogs. Tara has 200. See, there I go again. $2.40. Is that enough to buy 2 hot dogs? No. She wouldn't even have enough to buy 1 hot dog. So we want to know, how much more does she need? So we know she has $2.40. I could use my money and say $2.50, 260, 270, 280, 290, 3, and then use my dollar bills. $4, $5, and I'm done. I'm at $5. And so be $2 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 cents. She would need $2.60 more. Or I could subtract. I could say $5 minus $2.40. 0 plus minus 0 is 0. I can't take 4 from 0, so I've got to borrow from my friend, and I make this a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. I bring down my decimal. 4 minus 2 is 2. And my dollar sign. You got to make sure you have your dollar signs. And so I could also find out that way that Tara would need $2.60 more. So I want you to try to do Jess and Trey on your own. You might need some help from Mom and Dad. And then you have a practice sheet that you're just going to add up the money and match it to the amount. So that's just some more extra practice you have with money. And I hope you had fun and planning your camping trip today. And it sounds like they're going to have lots of yummy food on their camping trip. And I will see you tomorrow, okay? Have a great day. Bye.